Tomorrow sometime. He said, is it sitting out front? I can just grab it with the truck anytime? And I said, yep. So he's trying to figure out, because it's longer than the other one. Okay, I think I'm ready. Whenever you're ready. Can I close the garage door? Are we going to Starbucks or no?
What do you think?
You know what you're doing? You ever rode a motorcycle before?
I feel rushed, so I'm trying to rush and it doesn't really work.
We're not rushed anymore, we're good. Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure you're sure? Okay, so we have been spending the last 3 days, so Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, tearing out a bunch of cabinets that were at work, that they're remodeling a big section, and they were going to throw away the cabinets. So we're like, oh, can we have them move them to our garage? Well, we had to custom cut them and everything for our house. We've got to customize it. So it took forever, and now we're like, I had to work this morning, you know, at like 5 o'clock till noon, and then now we're going to a dinner for work, and children at play. Whoops! A little extra beep there. A little extra beep for all you at home. We're probably going to have to skip Starbucks. Everybody is almost here. I'm smiling. Is it flashing red? Then you're in. Are you supposed to get on a motorcycle when nobody's on it?
What?
What if you fell over?
I don't want to fall over.
Who's going to catch you? What if the kickstand broke right now?
I'm super fast reflexes. I'm like a ninja.
Yeah? You just hop forward and grab it? Here we go. You ready? Commit, commit, commit. You must commit to everything when you're riding on a motorcycle. You just gotta go. Ooh, it's kind of chilly. Get it? I'm at Chili's. She's laughing at me. Really hot. 84, humid, gross. It's really smoky from fires. It is date night, so that's good. So we gotta go to date night, and then we're going to a coffee shop later. So I had to grab my backpack. I'm gonna go down the side street. So I went down it the other day, but I didn't have my GoPro with me. I just wanted to show it to you. They did some serious repaving, and it looks really nice. And I just really haven't been down this road a lot. Used to ride down it a lot back when there was road construction. This one right here, see? Oh, there's kind of a bump right there. So excited I missed a gear. Ooh, that taper is a little different. Should we go the whole way? Okay, we'll go the whole way. No pavement markings. I think that sign is inaccurate. Oh, are they doing this road too? Or is that just... Oh no, that's just so they could make this nice transition right here. Oh, there's a car coming. Whoops, and I put my leg down. Now's my brake. Put your leg down, you don't got a brake, so you got to use your handlebar brake. But that's just your front brake. You don't want to fall over. That ain't good. This is going to be dangerous. This turn right here is not fun. Traffic is not fun. Willis pre-owned. That means you paid way too much for that Kia Soul, because that is the Cadillac dealership, I believe. But you know, cars are expensive right now. So is wood. So are houses. So is real estate. So is groceries. Oh, so is gas. I'm surprised there's not a light here, but I mean there is one there and there is one there, and neither one of those lights were there years ago. So the problem's going to be is it's going to get hot. Okay, so I have to wait for all three of these cars to turn before I can go. Plus this one. And I'm missing out on the Corvette. I could have went the other way. Yeah, you need to sneak out there in the middle is what you got to do. Oh, you're just going to go for it. Okay. See, you can just sneak out and just pull right here. See this little spot right here? And now you can just sit right here and you can wait. And now you don't have to worry about the other cars. That's what they should have done a long time ago. That's fun. I think the back end slid a little bit there going into second. Whoopsie daisies. Is the lane really going to merge up here? Because only about 10% of the time is that accurate. See? It's not accurate. It's not going to merge. Is this a new Bronco? Okay, what do you think of the new Bronco? Because all of them in the commercials are like amazing, but all the ones in real life when I see them are not cool. I see them in real life and I'm like, that's, first of all, half the size I thought they were. There's one right there. That one looks kind of cool. But, I don't know, this one, I don't know. Maybe there's just like different versions. Like there's like the cheap version and there's like, you know what I mean? Kind of like the Jeep. You can get a Jeep that's like super basic, like steel wheels, all the way up to like... So this is a Bronco Sport in front of us. It does have a backup camera. You can open the door or the glass separately, I see. Well, driving fast did not cool me down at all. Hot all day. Look, we got new cabinets. Yeah, that's right. Look at that. I think I want to park on this side. This is the dilemma. If I park on the right, it leans to the left. But then you can walk through here and you can open the cabinets. Oh my goodness, it's so hot. So hot. I'm dying. What is that? That was creepy. Oh, it's inside my helmet. Ah! I thought it was something running over here and it was a bug in my helmet. Okay, bye.